guys, thanks so much for stopping in today. Today I wanted to come in and share with you a few of the fabulous finds that I picked up at my local Goodwill. You guys know that Eric is the self-proclaimed property brother. Well, I have actually been coined by Eric as the Goodwill Whisperer, so I'll be that. I have no problem with that title. But so yeah, I went into my local Goodwill a few days ago looking for a piece of furniture for a friend of mine who has come over to the house. Well, she's been here many times, but on this particular occasion, she was just kind of taken aback by the fact that Eric and I had redone a raggedy old dresser that we picked up at Goodwill and remade it. We did it over. We DIY'd it into this really beautiful credenza that we keep down in the basement. We painted it. We changed the knobs, everything. We love it. And she loved the look of it too. I'll leave the link for that video below. In the basement, we keep Eric's Watson's towels and sheets for when he goes in and out of the house, or when I'm, giving him a little bath down in the basement. But anyway, she saw it and she just thought it was so pretty, and she felt one would look really great in her home. So she asked if I could do one for her. So that's been like a month ago. I haven't been able to find anything for her. And so because I did not want to leave empty-handed, I picked up a few items for me. I'm going to share them with you guys. And then I'm also going to share with you how I am going to style these pieces. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, so item number one is this really pretty blazer. Oh my gosh, guys, do you see it? I love the colors in it. I'm standing in front of a window, so I hope it's not getting washed out. I'll kind of step out of frame a little bit so that you guys can see it. But this is the brand Russell Kemp. Russell Kemp, never heard of it, but I love that even though it looks really super heavy, I'm sure it's coming off as a really heavy blazer on camera, guys, but it is so super lightweight. Everything has been laundered. I actually dropped these off at the cleaners on my way home from Goodwill, so everything has been clean. It's all fresh. And can you see that? So I love wearing blazers and little jackets like this during the summer months, spring and summer months, for when we are going to the movies. I get really, really cold in the movie theater, and I don't want to be sitting in there freezing. So I love wearing little jackets and little blazers like this to the movies, and also when we go out at night for little dinner. And so I thought this would be perfect to just layer with like a little shirt, little tank or something underneath. I could take it on and off, but just a really great layering piece. I will be able to carry these jackets right on over to fall. Not that I am looking for fall. I love summer. Okay, I love summer, so not looking forward to fall anytime soon, but these will just be great to have. And these jackets like this too are also great for if you're traveling. We're going to be doing a lot of traveling this summer, so these will be great for the airplane too. So look at this beautiful pink jacket. The color on camera is not even doing this jacket any justice. Look at this really pretty pink. So I am just really looking forward to wearing this jacket this summer, just like with the other one. So stinking light. This is in, let's see, this is by Zanella Platinum. Again, I've never heard of this particular individual, this particular brand, but when I saw this jacket, I just knew I had to have it. Look at how gorgeous this is. I mentioned too that the Buckhead Goodwill is thought to be, the best Goodwill here in Atlanta. And I kind of think so. I kind of think so. When you go in there, you don't really see, stuff that people probably should have just put in the trash most of the times, at least not when I go. And so I'm not really surprised that I was able to find these really pretty, just really lightweight, really spring and summer appropriate jackets. And all of the jackets, all of these blazers that I'm going to share with you guys were $6. $6 each. So I am loving this. I love the collar. My cleaners did a great job pressing it. Not overdone, but it looks great. I can see me wearing this, like I said, on one of our travels this summer. This is great for layering. All right, guys, so this is the other jacket. Why do I keep calling them jackets? They're blazers. These are all blazers. So this is just a basic black blazer. Who does not need a simple black blazer in their wardrobe? I love black blazers. You know, you dress them up, you dress them down. So I had to have this one. I have one currently that I've had forever, so it was on its way out anyway. So why not go ahead and snag this one from Goodwill for $6? Could not beat this one. All right, so the next blazer is this Calvin Klein gray. It's like a heather gray. It's not tweed, but it looks like it could be a tweed. But this is just a gray and white, heather gray and white Calvin Klein blazer, but I think it's like linen. It's like a combination of linen and something else. It comes off, I'm pretty sure on camera right now, that it's looking kind of textured and maybe kind of wrinkly, but that's just the fabric, guys. So I think that is making it just a really summer appropriate look or jacket. I want to say this one right here, this gray Calvin Klein blazer, and the black, white, and green one, they're like in the runnings for my top faves out of all of them. But this one is so cute. Just one simple little button here. It has the pocket. The pockets haven't even been unsealed yet. So just a really nice quality jacket. I hope you guys can see the color and texture on this jacket. It has like a really pretty sheen on it also. Just really nice. I'm looking forward to wearing this one, but there are just so many different ways that you could style this jacket. Oh my gosh, I hope you guys can see the, like I said, the texture on it. So this one is also gray, but it's more of a solid gray as opposed to the heather gray one that I just shared with you guys. This one is from the Limited. And as you can see, the sizes are all different. Okay, so the blazers will offer up different fits, you know, and I think that's fine. Some of the jackets are gonna have more of a snug fit. Some of them will have more of a relaxed fit, and I think that's fine. It's just all about what you're going for. And you know, when you're shopping in Goodwill, you're not gonna always be able to find your exact size, but the beauty of it all is, you know, you don't have to necessarily be confined to any particular look, you know.